Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16.
It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas. Magic everywhere. But the prettiest sight to see are the videos that will be full of festive flair.
So today I'm filming a video later this evening, with a friend. And I'll just tell you who it is because you're going to see who it is in the vlog, and I've already done videos with this person. It's Maureen, and we're doing a video, and I won't tell you what it is until it comes out. But we're doing a video for Christmas, a duet, and yeah, we're really excited about it. I've got to finish recording it. We recorded separately, but we're filming together later, and I'm really excited about this one because we're filming on location. We're filming out of my house, out of my garden. We're not filming anywhere we filmed before, so that's exciting. And it's actually going to be a team of 3 of us working on this, because her boyfriend Keelan, who also is on the channel The Lame Wolves, which I will link below, both of them are on that with their friend Connor, and Keelan is going to be filming us, and so we're all 3 of us going to be working on this. So I've been working on the accompaniment and putting the track together. Maureen said she'd edit, and Keelan's filming. So it's going to be, a group effort, which I've never done on my channel. So that's exciting, except for some the short film that I uploaded a couple of years ago that we did in college. I was in college with them, by the way, with the 3 of them actually, for a year, and then I did musical theatre. But when I did film, we made that movie. That was the only thing that I collaborated on that's on my channel. But this is actually for my channel, so this is exciting. I'm really excited about this. So I actually gotta finish fixing my vocals this morning because I'm not happy with some of them. And I gotta listen. Maureen just sent me her redo. We might re-record some bits again, but we just want to have something to go on later when we're filming. But yeah, it's exciting. So let's do the Disney calendar now, and then go out for breakfast. And I slept in quite a bit. It's nearly 11 now, I think. What time is it? Yeah, it's 10 to 11, even 8 to 11 if you want to be exact. So yeah, I slept longer than I thought I would, but I was really tired, so. Okay, so we're on day 16, this one here. I'm just going to bring it over here because it's so much easier when you have it on a flat surface to open it. I'm going to open it from here. Yeah, there we go. I could just easily grab it from the other side, because either side. Oh, where'd that one go? There's nothing in 16. Oh, 16 fell. Okay. It fell down all the way down to 2. But this is 16. It's another hand, but it's not as sparkly. It's a little less sparkly. And it's white. So let's put that on the sheet. By the way, this pajama I got last year in the Christmas sales, after Christmas, in the new year maybe even. And it says, cozy pajamas, hot cocoa, warm cookies. Can't read backwards, so I'm having to read down. A good book, fluffy socks, hot, what's that? Every time I can't read a word backwards, I'm hot water bottle, candy, and wrap gloves. What? Oh, warm gloves. I can't read backwards. I guess I just woke up. And then the bottoms are like this. They've got little gloves and candy canes and hot chocolate on them. And then these are Harry Potter socks I got from Gwendolyn last Christmas with my Harry Potter pajama, fluffy pajamas, really warm. But these socks are really nice during the night. So I'm gonna put my slippers on now. By the way, the banister is done. Well, it's nearly done, but the lights aren't working that I usually put, the fairy lights, but I have to put the decorations on. So the other day I was working on this, and this is actually a present for my grandmother's birthday, but this is what I did the other day. I don't know if I showed this. And this guy. I think I did show them, but... And then I did this. And it's basically a bird feeder. My dad did this part. And he did this part down here, but I did the whole middle section from down here. And then there are the other birds. So my mum's friend, I'm coming. So my mum's friend's daughter made these. They're really good. Macaron has disappeared. So the other day I was recording in this room because I have this keyboard, this electric piano, which has like really cool sounds. Like it has like strings and things like that. It just sounds so much better than just piano. Sometimes you want a bit more, you know, and it sounds a bit magical with what I've done for what we're doing today, what we're filming today. And so I'm gonna do a few more vocals for myself and put together Maureen's vocals and my vocals, and then put out my phone so that we have something to play back when we're filming. So, change of plans. It was raining in Dún Laoghaire and Maureen went home, so we're gonna film. So I'm not going to Dún Laoghaire, and we're gonna film on other days. So on Thursday, hopefully it won't rain on the days that we're gonna that we planned now. But on Thursday, I'm going to film a bit, and on Friday, so hopefully it'll be good. But there's a beautiful sunset right now. I'll insert some clips, which I just got a few clips to put into our video because it's just so pretty. So I filmed them on my DSLR, my AGD, and yeah, we're gonna insert them. Maybe I just have them in case for the video because it's pretty, and why not? And it gives us a bit of footage because we're gonna meet on Friday. On Thursday I'm gonna do some footage myself, like film some footage myself, and on Friday we're hopefully gonna meet up, and fingers crossed it doesn't rain again because, like, honestly, please. She said it was really bad in Dún Laoghaire. It wasn't too bad here where I live, and we're like, I don't know, we're not that far from Dún Laoghaire, but yeah, so hopefully it's all gonna work out, but we're going to film lots of footage ourselves as well, just in case, and yeah, fingers crossed it all works out. So I forgot to show these yesterday, but that's what they look like at night. And I think these lights over here are a little bit weak. The batteries are like kind of a little bit weak. They didn't turn on yesterday. Both lights didn't turn on. I managed to get the ones over there on, but these ones didn't turn on last night. I don't know. And the ones over there aren't changing. Oh well. I think I might see if I can get these to stay. No, that's not the one we want. I think it's this one. Yep. So I forgot to render the video, the vlog, day 11. So I didn't get to upload it today. But I'll render it at some point tomorrow, and it should be up tomorrow, and I'm going to try and get another one because it's finished at, like, I finished that one. So tomorrow when I'm editing, when I'm babysitting, I can edit day 12, which, was that the short one? No, I don't think it was. There was a short one that looked like there was only like a few clips. I think it was Friday's vlog. But when I'm babysitting tomorrow, I'll try and get the editing done for day 12, and that way, you know, I'll at least have that ready. Once the other one, when I get home, I can render it, because I can't really render it when I'm not at home, because I may have to leave and then I have to carry my laptop like that, and it's just like awkward. So yeah, that's the update on my attempt at Vlogmas. Daily vlogging is super hard though, especially when there's just so much going on, and there's a few days this week where I won't be home till like 8 o'clock, so yeah, but it's okay. I will figure out how to get them all up before the 25th, or by the 25th. So I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm exhausted, and I'll have to do my Operation Small Thing again as well before I forget, and yeah, then I'll go to bed. So good night and see you in the morning.